Apple continues to court the photographer in all of us with the new camera control button on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. But for some people, using the on-screen camera controls is what they're accustomed to and more convenient. Are we to just ignore this ingenious combination of physical, button, and capacitive slider? Turns out it can do more than just manipulate camera controls. You can set it to act like a second action button to do things that don't involve picture taking at all. It will eventually be a visual intelligence button. Aside from photography, the most prominent use for the camera control button will be for visual intelligence, a feature that will use Apple Intelligence to identify information that's in front of the camera. In Apple's demos, that includes getting details about a restaurant, naming a dog breed, and getting study aids via ChatGPT. You'll click and hold the camera control button to activate visual intelligence, then press the button again to bring up information about whatever is in the frame. Apple says visual intelligence is coming later this year. Okay, visual intelligence sounds like it'll be cool when it arrives, but what can you do now? Two features that use the camera, but are not photo apps, are available for quick access using the camera control button. You could assign them to the action button, but if that's busy with something else, such as the flashlight or any number of uses, you can effectively turn the camera control into a second action button. For now, you can get a magnified view. There are times when I've admired Sherlock Holmes for always carrying a magnifying glass. At least, that's the popular image of the detective. When I need to read a serial number or even small print on a menu in a dimly lit restaurant, I break out my iPhone, open Control Center, and turn on the magnifier. Not only does it allow you to digitally zoom way in on something, you can turn on the flashlight to see even better. But currently that's a multi-step process of unlocking the phone, swiping down to open Control Center, and tapping the magnifier button. Instead, jump right to the magnifier using the camera control. Go to Settings, Camera, Camera Control, and choose Magnifier. Pressing the button now launches the magnifier. But it's not just a shortcut. Apply a firm touch to it to bring up the camera. Controls contextual overlay to zoom by sliding your finger along its surface. Double-touch it to switch between zoom, contrast, brightness, and filters to change those settings without using the screen. The flashlight control isn't included in the overlay, though, so you'll need to activate it via the on-screen controls. Swipe up twice to reveal all of the magnify controls and tap the flashlight button, as well as scan QR codes quickly. If you like this video, please like it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe.